Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for coming back to watch another video here on my kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a BLT plus E sandwich. Just like you heard, something very easy to make, something very cheap. You can eat it for breakfast. You can also make it for dinner. Very easy and cheap to make. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and also share this video. The first thing you are going to do is that you are wanting to get some tomatoes and lettuce. You're gonna cut them and you're gonna save them for later. Second thing is that you are gonna start putting the bacon on a pan, on an oil, on a pan. You're gonna put the bacon and you're gonna cook it. Make sure you don't burn it, but you're gonna cook it just enough to make it crunchy enough to eat it. It looks like the bacon doesn't want to get out of the pan. Come on, get out! Once the bacon is already cooked, now on the same oil you are going to cook the eggs. And this is very important, guys. You are wanting to cook the eggs on the same oil because that's going to give it a good flavor and amazing taste to this recipe. Don't forget to put a little bit of salt on the egg. And here is a trick. What you are wanting to do, instead of flipping the egg, because you want to make sure that the yellow part of the egg is soft. So you are wanting to start with a little spoon, or with a spoon, you just start taking the oil, the hot oil, and putting it over the egg. And that's gonna help cook the egg, but it's not gonna let it get hard. So this is a very trick that I learned a long time ago, and it works perfectly for this type of recipes. Right now, just repeat the same process you did. Put a little bit of salt. And just wait until this egg is ready to be for you to get your sandwiches ready. Once you have your eggs and the bacon already cooked, now you are wanting to use the tomatoes and lettuce that you already cut. So now you are going to put a little bit of tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 slices of tomatoes. The egg, I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce. And then after, I'm going to put the bacon on top. And repeat the same process with all the sandwiches that you are going to make. It doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 3, or 4, depending on how many people and how many servings you are wanting to do. And here they are. Amazing recipe, guys. I really recommend this. This is very easy to make. Your kids are gonna love it. Look at that. Look at that runny egg coming down. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share the video if you liked. Thank you very much for all the support. I will see you next time with another recipe on Rav Kitchen.